Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we will break down for you how you can sync your Slack account and your Slack status with your calendar on Google Calendar really quickly and without any technical skills. It is super simple, guys, so let us guide you through this step by step. Head over to your Slack account, and what you want to do next, guys, is access the app library here on Slack. To do this, click on Add Apps here at the bottom of your left panel inside your workspace. Of course, to pull this off, you will need to have admin rights here in your workspace. So make sure you're the owner or an admin of the given workspace. So click on Add Apps here. After that, use the search bar at the top and type in, for example, Google Calendar, or see if you see Google Calendar amongst these recommended apps here. Simply select it by clicking on Install here to the right. After that, follow these instructions. Wait for the next page to finish loading, and after a brief moment, you'll be given the opportunity to install and to add the Google Calendar app to your Slack library. So let me do it really quickly by clicking on that button here. Next, give Google Calendar the permission to sync with your Slack account and with your workspace by clicking on Allow here if you're content with these permissions, and wait again for a brief moment. After that, select your Google account you would like to log in with your Google Calendar. So let me do it really quickly as well. Confirm that by clicking on Continue here. And in the last step, make sure that you give Slack the permission to access your Google Calendar by clicking on OK here, or by selecting all first here at the top and by clicking on Continue here. And if that's the case, guys, wait for a brief moment to get redirected to Google Calendar, just like that. It may or may not take a moment, of course. And after a brief moment, you will be given the opportunity to connect your account on Slack with your account on Google Calendar. As you can see, Google Calendar appears now or is displayed amongst the installed apps here to the left. So now you can turn Google Calendar on, for example, here, just like that. And now your both accounts on Google Calendar as well as on Slack have been successfully connected. So once that's done, guys, simply click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and select your status here by clicking on Update Your Status, and make sure that from that window here, you choose the automatic updates done or processed by Google Calendar. In a meeting, Google Calendar updates are on, so select it with your left mouse and make sure that you turn it on. So from now on, Google Calendar will automatically update your status here on Slack and add any events, for example, from your Google Calendar to your Slack status. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.